I'm Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video to do the 40 vibration haptic feedback test in the Realme X7 Max after the recent factory reset. Yes friends, just yesterday I did my complete factory reset of this Realme X7 Max just to see all the problems will get fixed or not, because after the recent software update there are a couple of issues are going on and few issues are going on from the beginning itself, exactly in the Realme X7 Max and 8GB RAM variant, as you can see. So in this video I'll try to test the 4D haptic vibrations. Will I be able to play in the Pubg game or not? That is what my main point in this video. This is a Pubg version, as you can see, 1.4.0. As you can see, if I let me to open the Pubg application first, Pubg game, let's see whether we'll be able to play the 4D vibrations or not. In case if you feel my videos are really helpful for you also, make sure to donate some money for my mobile number, which is a PhonePe or Paytm or Google Pay. That will be really helpful to buy next phone, which is a OnePlus Nord 2, which I'm trying to plan. So make sure to donate, friends. Any small amount of money will be really helpful for me. So already few users, they already donated, and thank you for your donation, I would say, definitely. So I'm really grateful, friends. I did not expect this kind of very fast donations. I did get a couple of donations right now, even though amount is quite small, but still it doesn't matter, because right now I'm really looking to buy new phones at this point, but only I'm running a lot of shortage with the money. That is the reason I need to ask for your help for all of my viewers. So right now, as you can see, I did enable the 4D haptic vibrations while playing this Pubg game, which is a version 1.4.0, exact Pubg version I'm trying to play. But even though after doing this kind of factory reset, still the haptic feedback I was unable to get. No, there's no haptic feedback I'm getting at this point. There's nothing at all. Let me go to the settings and let me show you phone vibrations on. As you can clearly see, phone vibrations on. Everything is on. Everything is set correctly, but still I'm not getting any vibrations. But few of the users, they did report that their haptic feedback was working perfectly all right. I'm not sure how many users it's working. So make sure to comment below in case if you have the Realme X7 Max, in case if your haptic feedback is working good. So let me know in the comment section below. So make sure to comment below, friends. Definitely I'll be waiting for your comments as well on this Realme X7 Max, whether you was able to get any kind of haptic feedbacks or not. So but in my unit I'm not getting any kind of haptic feedbacks from the day one itself. Same problem. I'm not sure exactly what kind of APK are you trying to use in your phone. So make sure to let me know in the comment section below what is the version you are trying to use Pubg game. That is what I am looking after. What version exactly you are trying to use in your smartphone. But overall, there is no haptic feedbacks I'm getting right now in this phone. So thank you, friends, for watching this video. This is a small video which I thought of just demonstrating you. After doing the factory reset as well, there is no improvement in the haptic feedbacks in this phone. There is no improvement in the haptic feedback, nothing at all. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. As you can see, there is no applications installed, friends, because just yesterday only I did my complete factory reset. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Bye.